Ben from Snowy's here, folks. Today with an institutional product. This is the MSR PocketRocket 2 stove. This has been updated to give an even more compact packed size while maintaining a really lightweight and reliable cooker for lightweight hiking adventures. Now the MSR PocketRocket 2 stove comes with this handy little carry case here. Whether you use it or not is up to you, but this measures about 9 centimeters across, about 5 centimeters across this way, and about 5 centimeters in height. So the lift up lid there, and the stove is contained inside. You wouldn't be able to fit much more inside there. I'd probably just take the stove by itself, entirely up to you. Now the stove like this weighs just 73 grams and packed up about 8.2 centimeters by about 4.2 centimeters in diameter, depending on where you measure it. And it folds out, where the old PocketRocket used to have arms that sort of folded up over the top like this. This one now folds out and over for each of these. So there's 2 actions to each of these arms, or 3 arms there. Fold each one out and over, and that then creates our 3 handles there, or 3 supports, sorry, and the gas switch or gas lever there just folds over the top of the base there. Now when this is set up, it's about 10 centimeters high here, and it's about 6 centimeters in diameter from the center to the edge here. So 12 centimeter diameter pot you would fit within these, but you can fit a larger pot on there. And the burner head's about a 3 centimeter diameter burner head there. When I say 12 centimeter diameter pot, you can fit larger pots on there. MSR do actually give guidelines and say about up to 20 centimeters in diameter and about 3.6 kilos of weight on top of that is kind of the maximum, which is a fair bit for a small cooker like this. Now it doesn't have any piezo ignition in here, so you are going to need some way to light the stove, but it has a threaded valve on the bottom here, which lines up with the Lindell valves in this sort of canister here. Now these canisters come in various sizes and various brands. So you've got the 2 MSR ones here, which is an 80-20 blend of fuel, and you've got slightly different blends in different sizes. That's a 230 gram, the same as MSR, and then a 450 gram there. So all of those are going to work with this. Burn time for this guy, you're going to get about an hour out of a 227 gram canister. So 227 grams an hour, and that's about 16 liters of water that's going to boil with that, but it's obviously very variant on the conditions that you're using it in. And they say the burner head is got a BTU of about 8,200, so reasonably hot burner for that size of stove. And they've measured boil time. We'll keep going with the metrics. Boil time at about 3.5 minutes for a litre of water. Once again, very dependent on the conditions you're using it in. So to set it up nice and easy, just grab your canister. It just screws on. Now you don't want to tighten this up too much, so just tighten it till you hear, make sure that's off. I had that on then, so the gas is coming out. Tighten it till you just hear a bit of pressure, or feel a bit of pressure, sorry, and just firmly. So you shouldn't need it too tightly there. If you do it too tight, you'll strip the thread inside. That's now ready to go. Now the total height of this is going to depend on what sort of canister you put it on. Obviously if you've got it on a large canister like this, this is going to be up much higher. The lower down it is, the better the stability it is. And to light it, or before I light it, I've got a pot here that I'll show you how this sits on top there. So that it's got rounded sides on it, so it slides around a little, but these sort of slope inwards a bit. So as it moves, it kind of wants to pull backwards against itself on those slopey sides there, so it doesn't keep going off the edge. So you do just want to obviously keep an eye on it while you're cooking with these pots here, or with these stoves, but reasonably sturdy for the compact size of it. And lighting it, we'll just flick it around. I've got a light here, probably a bit too big for most camp or hiking arrangements. Turn the gas on, and we've gone out. Oh no, that's on. It's actually just on there. So it has got a really low simmer. I'll see how low I can go. That's still on there now. That's still on there right now, and I can put my hand over the top here. I can just feel a little bit of warmth. And then if we want to wind it right up, make sure our camera doesn't catch fire there. You see it winds right up, so it is a really hot flame there. This little thing in the middle here, I'll show you this too, just while we're in close. This is a little wind deflector here. That's designed such that if the wind is blowing across this way and blows out this side of the burner, the other 2 sides stay lit. So while it might blow out part of the burner itself stays alight. So that is the MSR PocketRocket 2 stove. If you want to get yourself a lightweight hiking stove that is kind of institutional in the hiking industry around the world, grab yourself a PocketRocket. Tried and tested for so many years, and they're just getting better and better with every iteration. Check them out online at snowys.com.au, where you find them at our lowest prices every day. If you've got any questions, let us know down in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for all of our latest and greatest information, or check out some other videos like this one down here.